How to connect your payment gateways in Thinkific. Hello, I'm Sarah Cordiner, one of the approved and verified Thinkific experts. This is how to add your Stripe and your PayPal to your account. Now, very soon after filming this video, we're also going to have the option to have Thinkific payments, or TPay as it's going to be called. But for now, all you're going to do is go to your settings on your main dashboard, and inside your settings area, this is where you can go to the payments tab, which is 3 in, and you can connect your Stripe and your PayPal accounts. Now, the easiest way to do this is first make sure you've actually created a Stripe account and created a PayPal account. Have them both open on separate tabs, and all you will have here is the option to connect your Stripe account. It will ask you to then log into your Stripe account. You may need to confirm your business ownership, your business ABN, your address, date of birth, and what your name of your grandparents' firstborn was. But once you've approved that, it will connect up to your Stripe account quite easily. If you get stuck, there is the Learn More button here, which will help you reconnect. Now, when you choose your currency here, this currency will apply across your entire site for people in any country. So I recommend that you go with the currency that you're most likely to start working in or working with the majority of your user base. Once you become more international, then I'd recommend you choose probably the most internationally recognized currency, which is the US dollar. But I tend to recommend to people to start with whatever your most prominent user base is going to be. So for example, if like me, you're in Australia and you're going for Australians first, I'd recommend you start with the Australian dollar. And when you start building up a more international base, then change it to USD. But of course, that decision is yours, not mine. All right, then you've got your PayPal connection here. Now you are going to need a business PayPal account. So if you've got a personal PayPal account at the moment, all you're going to do is log into PayPal. You can, for free, very easily upgrade to business. So you just put your business details in there, your business number, your business address, and so on, and it will upgrade you to business. You don't have to pay for a PayPal business account. It's free to do, and simply grab your PayPal IPN and your IPN URL. The instructions to find that are in the Learn More section. Paste those in, press save, and boom, your Stripe and PayPal are connected. As simple as that.